we are looking at how to pronounce this. What does it mean? How do you say it? Well, this essentially stands for the name of a video game called Final Fantasy number 14. So the first two F's are for Final Fantasy, and then it's a Roman numeral for 14. So you could say it FFXIV, or FFXIV, FFXIV, or FF14, or Final Fantasy. Why is it 14? Well, X is 10, I is 1, V is 5. So there's 1 less than 5. That's why the I is before the V, and so that makes 14. That's the whole explanation. I like to say it as FXIV, and now you know. More videos here, or maybe FXIV rather. Now you know. More videos here. Interesting stuff. Thanks for watching.